In Adobe Photoshop, a smart object is a powerful and flexible feature that allows you to work with raster or vector images while preserving their original quality and characteristics. When you convert a layer to a smart object, Photoshop essentially wraps the image content within a container, enabling non-destructive editing and providing various benefits. Why smart objects are important? You can scale, rotate, and transform smart objects without any loss in image quality. The transformations are applied dynamically, and the original data is retained. If the source file of a smart object is modified externally, Photoshop prompts you to update it within your document, ensuring that your project stays up to date with the latest changes. For the sake of the example, let's take a picture once we will use it as a normal layer, and the next time we will use it after turning it into a smart object. Let's start from the image when it is a normal layer. We will reduce it significantly, and then we want to return it to the same size. We can immediately see that the image was destroyed and was pixelated. But if we take the image, turn it into a smart object before using it, scale it down, confirm the action, and scale it up, nothing seems to have happened to the image. This is because we turned the image while it was at its original size into a smart object. Edit a smart object. Double-click on the smart object layer thumbnail. Make changes in the open document. Save and close the document to see the changes reflected in your main project. In summary, smart objects in Adobe Photoshop are a valuable tool for maintaining flexibility and non-destructive editing in your design and editing workflows. They empower you to work more efficiently and make creative decisions without worrying about compromising the original image quality.